a 460-megawatt supercritical CFB power station in Europe, was experiencing severe boiler waterwall erosion and corrosion from its very first year of operation. The result? Quarterly outages for inspections and emergency repairs. Conventional solutions just weren't working. Iron-based thermal spray led to hundreds of repairs, alternative coatings lasted less than 3 months, and replacing tubes was both costly and time-consuming. In 2018, IGS partnered with the plant to trial HVTS cladding in a high-wear area. 6 months later, the IGS cladding showed zero metal loss, while competitor solutions had already failed. Since then, IGS has expanded HVTS protection across the boiler. Outages have been reduced from quarterly to annual inspections. There have been 0 tube leaks in cladded areas since 2019, and more than 2,100 square meters have been protected, helping the plant achieve long-term boiler reliability. Contact IGS today to learn how we can help extend operating runs and improve your CFB boiler reliability.